Welcome to Sonic Sciences. The ancient Hermetic principles are the very foundation of what we explore here. My journey into Hermeticism first revealed these truths, shaping my understanding of vibration, resonance, and the unseen forces that weave reality itself. It is a philosophical and spiritual tradition attributed to Hermes Trismegistus, a syncretic figure combining elements of the Greek god Hermes and the Egyptian god Thoth. Hermeticism anticipated the discoveries of quantum mechanics by thousands of years, describing a reality shaped by vibration, mental causation, and interconnected energy fields. The mind is not merely an observer, but an active force in reality, while the vibratory nature of existence and the universe's non-local interconnectedness suggest that modern quantum physics is only now catching up to sacred ancient wisdom. Since we are talking about catching up to ancient wisdom, the pyramids come to mind. We do know how they built those, right? Whatever, more on those later. Let's take a moment to get focused before we get started. Please take a long, slow, deep breath in. Now hold it. And slowly exhale all the way out. We will now embark on an exploration of the 7 Hermetic principles. The 7 ancient Hermetic principles are stated as the principle of mentalism, the principle of correspondence, the principle of vibration, the principle of polarity, the principle of cause and effect, and the principle of gender. First, the principle of mentalism. The all is mind, the universe is mental. This principle posits that everything that happens has its origin in the mind, suggesting that the universe itself is a mental construct. The principle of correspondence. As above, so below, as below, so above. This principle indicates a correspondence between different planes of existence, implying that patterns repeat across the macrocosm and microcosm. The principle of vibration. Nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates. This principle asserts that motion is inherent in everything, and that varying rates of vibration distinguish different manifestations of matter, energy, mind, and spirit. The principle of polarity. Everything is dual, everything has poles, everything has its pair of opposites. This principle explains that opposites are identical in nature but different in degree, and that all truths are but half-truths. The principle of rhythm. Everything flows out and in. Everything has its tides. All things rise and fall. This principle acknowledges the cyclical nature of the universe, where patterns and movements occur in measured rhythms. The principle of cause and effect. Every cause has its effect. Every effect has its cause. This principle emphasizes that nothing happens by chance, and that every action has a corresponding reaction. The principle of gender. Gender is in everything. Everything has its masculine and feminine principles. This principle suggests that gender exists in all things, manifesting as the masculine and feminine principles, and is essential for creation and regeneration. Just as the Hermetic principles provide a timeless framework for understanding the universe, Modern science offers its own insights through the field of quantum mechanics. Although separated by centuries, both perspectives seem to converge on similar underlying truths about the nature of reality. The Hermetic principle of mentalism, which posits that the universe is akin to a mental construct, finds a fascinating parallel in quantum mechanics. The observer effect in quantum physics suggests that the act of observation can influence the state of a quantum system, hinting at a universe that responds to consciousness. Similarly, the Hermetic principle of correspondence, as above, so below, echoes the concept of entanglement in quantum mechanics. Entanglement describes how particles can become interconnected and instantly affect each other, regardless of distance, mirroring the Hermetic idea that all levels of reality are interconnected. The principle of vibration, stating that everything is in constant motion, aligns with the quantum understanding that particles are never truly at rest. Even in the vacuum of space, quantum fluctuations indicate a buzzing, dynamic reality. And finally, the principle of cause and effect resonates with the probabilistic nature of quantum events. While outcomes in quantum mechanics are not deterministic, they follow probabilistic laws that echo the Hermetic view of a universe governed by cause and effect, albeit in a more nuanced manner. Both Hermeticism and quantum mechanics, in their own ways, describe a universe that is deeply interconnected, governed by fundamental principles, and responsive to the interplay of consciousness and matter. They offer us a profound understanding that transcends time and space and encourages us to explore the mysteries of existence from both the perspective of ancient wisdom and modern science. These principles serve as a framework for understanding the nature of reality, the laws of the universe, and the path to spiritual development within the Hermetic tradition. But what if these principles also hint at the existence of parallel universes? Imagine countless realities, each governed by these same laws, yet unfolding in infinite ways. Are we being shaped by unseen vibrations from other dimensions right now without knowing it? Subscribe, synthesize, and synchronize with Sonic Sciences to find out.